Everybody, it's Isaac here. Got my hand taken care of this morning. That was in the last video that we finished up getting that fish hook out. So now that I'm good, I'm out here. This is a gorgeous day. Truck said it was 77 on the way out here, so we're at a little farm pond doing some farm pond fishing. I'm going to be running a white minnow on my spin caster reel, and I'm running a crankbait on my bait caster, so we're going to see how many bass we can bring in this afternoon. Well, everybody, I had just hooked up a jig, and on my, I think it was first or second cast with that, we hooked this bad boy. So that's probably 1.5 pounds. Not a bad fish since we haven't caught anything else today. John, does that get you excited, John? A little bit. He's getting there. So, oh, here we go, boys.
There it is.
Fish on, fish on. Oh man, we're on the money now.
Oh no, it's the tiniest thing ever.
This is the tiniest thing ever, but that's okay. Yeah, buddy, doubled up.
Yeah.
A+, let's go. Let's go, boys. John,
pretty good.
How's that looking? Ah! It's moving.
Let's not get another hook in your hand.
Yeah, let's not get another hook in our hand. Nice little bass there. All right, get him back. Just popped right out.
Wow.
Good
Okay.
deal.
Easier than what
In
I
he
thought.
goes, in he goes. Doubled up. Let's go
boy.
on the fish. You got a fish? Dude! No fair. I want a fish. Save some for me, John. This must be where all the fish hang out. Oh, I know. I haven't caught anything over there. That's why I'm coming over here. This is where John was catching all the fish. Oh, fish on! Fish! Got him. Looked like I need to put a new craw on there though. I've only got one claw. Oh boy, fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Dude, this one feels good. Smash! Fish on! That's 9 for me. That's number 9. Fish on. Yep. He feels good. He's a big one. Oh man, it's a big fish. That's the biggest one on the day for sure. Close up with that camera then.
All right.
That was a big fish, man.
It was.
Yeah, that was number 10. That was a good fish right there. All right, well, the ladies want us back home pretty soon to get food. So me and John, we're gonna sit through 10 more casts and then we're heading out of here. So we're gonna see how many fish we can bring in with these final 10 casts that I'm gonna do. Let's see what we get. Fish on! That's 11, boy. Woo! Number 11. No, fish on! 12. 12 for me, 17 total. There it is. Got him! Fish on, bud. 13. This is 13, because we were at 12 last time. 17 total, so that's 18 between the two of us, 13 on my jig set. That's a good sized fish. Oh man, big fish on. Not a bad one, not nearly as big as those other two, but that's not a bad fish. That's 19 total, 14 for me. All right, I'm satisfied. We're gonna wrap it up here at 19. We got a couple people over by the truck, so we gotta go see what their deal is. If you wanna know where they're biting, yeah, that's the spot. Well, good to meet you guys. Good luck fishing. Thanks, dude. So that's five on the day for John. What's that bring your season total up to?
Freaking 6.
6?
Got 1 yesterday.
Not bad, bud. And what was mine? 14?
Yeah, wait, no, yes, yeah.
14 today?
Yep.
What?
And you got a couple yesterday.
I think I had 8 going into today. So that bumps me up to like 22. 22 so far this year. It's going good. Anyways, that's all for fishing video. We're gonna go get some dinner, and I'm gonna clean my wounded, ungloved hand up, and yeah, we'll see you next time on IW Outdoors.